Welcome to Bhari Bhari tutorial part number 4. So in the previous tutorial we finished here da 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 da. Then again da 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 da. You will just take a circle, okay? So you hold here da 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 da. The next line is the antara. Sanana, sanana, sana. So for that, what you will do is take your hand towards the left side and all your fingers are moving as if it's a breeze that is traveling. Okay? Sanana, sanana, sana. Going towards the right. Kar pavan. So for pavan, what you will do is kar pavan and come here. So this basically happens 1, 2 and 3. You are here. And it moves like this as if the wind is moving. So first it goes right, left, right and pause in to take 2 turns. Okay? So we are showing pavan. 5, 6, 7 go. Sanana, sanana, sana. Kar pavan chali. 2 turns. But you'll finish behind, not in front. So when you take a turn, 1, 2, you stop here. Okay? Then ang, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. From here, bhi jat si har gai. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 is what? Stepping the right leg ahead. Both the hands from inside like this and hold your elbow. Okay. Not elbow. Your arm over here. Okay. The wrist. 5, 6, 7 go. Roll and hold your wrist and from down. It's like this. So, bhi jat si har gai. Clear? Then again, ang, 3 walk. Now little dramatic walk. Ang, bhi jat si har gai. Okay? As if the wind has engulfed you. Okay? It's all around you. Okay? It's giving you a tight hug. Okay? Bhi jat si har gai. Okay, let's take the whole thing from the beginning. 5, 6, 7 go. Sanana, sanana, sana. Kar pavan chali. Ang, bhi jat si har gai. Walk. Ang, bhi jat si har. This will be a hug. Bhi jat si har gai. Then हंसी 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 सब परी हंस पड़ी. Okay, everybody started laughing at her. So हंसी 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 सब परी हंस पड़ी and you go back. Okay, as if you want to beat your friends. Okay, they're very naughty, they're laughing at you. So first you have to laugh like this and here. Okay, हंसी 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 सब परिहास पड़ी. Going back. Okay, so you just kind of take a momentum like this, take a step like this, go up like this and as if you want to run behind them. Okay, make it a little more dramatic. You can even go a little bit to filmy zone but not too much filmy. With music we'll try this. So, you know, when you're talking, you can't really give those expressions, but when the music is on, you can definitely play around with the expressions, mood. Okay, so going ahead, you came back here. नित नित छेड़ लाज गई. नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. 2 times. So first you will go. नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. Okay, he is hitting you with the elbow, troubling you, irritating you, flirting with you. So नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. Okay, suddenly someone hit you on the side of the over here. So नित नित छेड़त लाज गई, and then नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. Okay, he's playing with your bun or with the flower in the bun, or he's trying to put something flower or remove the flower. So नित नित छेड़त लाज गई. Then नाना करते मैं हार गई. I'm just gonna refer to the lyrics. नाना करी मैं हार गई. So नाना करी मैं हार गई. नाना करी मैं हार गई. ब्रज श्याम न तो से मोर बनी. Okay, now because we're taking Krishna's name, Braj Shyam, and of course Braj Shyam is Maharaji's name when he's writing the poems, when he's a poet. His name is Braj Shyam. So giving respect to him and to Lord Krishna, Braj Shyam na to se मोर बनी. Slightly ये pose करके नजर झुकाना है. Okay, to give respect to him, that we respect him. ब्रज श्याम न तो से मोर बनी. Always, if you have heard any kavita or any such songs, towards the end, the name of the person who has written comes. So that is when we offer respect to that person. And usually this is done, or this is done like this, or now I'm teaching you to do directly like that. Braj Shyam na to se mor bani. Then now to se bani. Now to se bani. Clear? How to do this? Throw both the hands in one line, going ahead, then coming here, look left and look right. With music, we'll try this. Basically everything is repeated till here. So till here we'll repeat the whole thing. Then we'll change the last part because the song has almost come to an end. But before we go ahead, let's revise this part one more time with music. Done.
से हर
last part, I think 10 seconds more. So first you'll go Dagar chali, dekho dagar chali. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. First right side, then left side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chakkars, and then just taking your hands, pointing at Krishna and resting on Krishna's shoulder over here. So this will be your pose, and just looking away. He's here, not looking at him, just resting here peacefully and looking away. Okay, so this would be the Radha's pose. If you're doing it with a partner, the partner would be Krishna and you will rest on his shoulder. Great. So just the last part with music. That's great. Yeah, so that was the end, and we will again do this last part, the whole thing. We'll do it once again with the music. And that's the end of your tutorial. Please practice Bhari Bhari. It's a beautiful song, and you can practice, do solo, do group, perform anywhere in functions. It's a perfect song for sangeets, for spiritual functions, in the temples, corporate shows, anywhere. Let's do it with the music. Okay, thank you so much for learning Bhari Bhari, my choreography. I want you to practice and practice it really well. Perform it, make videos, do tag me. All the best. Thank you.